Holmarc's Trinocular Microscope, motorized, model, HOR BLRM3-TS is an advanced upright imaging system designed for automated brightfield observation and digital slide analysis in biomedical, clinical, and research laboratories. The microscope features an infinity-corrected optical system with a trinocular observation head inclined at 30 degrees with interpupillary adjustment and dioptric adjustment on both eyepieces, along with a quadruple revolving nosepiece fitted with Plan Achromatic for X, 10x, 40x, and 100x objectives for high-resolution imaging. It incorporates a motorized XY stage with 75mm by 75mm travel and motorized Z focusing with autofocusing, enabling precise and repeatable sample positioning and automated scanning workflows. A 3 watts white LED transmitted illumination system and Abbe condenser ensure uniform illumination and optimal contrast. The system includes a 5MP global shutter CMOS camera and Micro Analyzer Pro software for live viewing, image capture, autofocusing, and automated slide scanning. The HOR BLRM3-TS delivers reliable, high-precision imaging and documentation for advanced laboratory applications. Holmarc's Trinocular Microscope, motorized, model, HOR BLRM3-TS. Holmarc manufactures a wide range of scientific instruments and devices for manufacturing, research, and education. Visit us at www.holmarc.com and contact us at sales@holmarc.com. Order your products now.